Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a gym in your garage. So the way that I did this was that I first cleared up room. So what you see right here is 8 by 9 feet, okay? 8 by 9 feet are the black mats that you see right over there. And so once I cleared up room, I got these horse stall mats. So these are horse stall mats, and I'll leave a link to them down below in the description. But these are heavy duty mats, and I feel super comfortable placing my weights on it, and I know I won't be damaging my floor. So once I cleared up room and then I laid down the mats, I then got the centerpiece of my gym, which was the RipFit M1 version 2.0 Smith machine pulley system. So this right here is now the centerpiece of my gym, in which it acts as a Smith machine bar with a dual pulley system that acts independently, and then you're still able to do free weight Olympic barbell exercises on the front portion of the rack as well. Now with that, I do have my simple bench, which is the finer form bench, and so this is a compact foldable bench. It's very easy to move around. And then I have my adjustable dumbbell set over here. So this right here is from Bowflex, and I've had these for about 4 years. Now as far as my equipment goes, I just have a bunch of different accessory attachments that I can use on my RipFit M1 machine. This is also plate loaded, so I did have to buy plates used. So I got mine off of OfferUp for about 200 pounds for about $150. So my recommendation is that if you need weighted plates, try to get them for less than $1 per pound, because that's a really good deal. Now as far as other equipment that I have, my setup involves having Olympic rings, just because you can do a lot with just Olympic rings. And I've also got a seated row attachment. I've also got a landmine attachment, a tricep pull down attachment. But that's essentially how I set up my gym. You know, I haven't had to really buy any other pieces of equipment, but this is what it looks like. And then I'll leave a link to these all down below in the description if you're interested. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.